Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the Cadbury Dairy Milk Oreo Sandwich Chocolate Bar. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So as you can see, this is a brand new chocolate bar from Cadbury that combines their dairy milk chocolate with Oreo cookies by sandwiching the dairy milk chocolate between the Oreo cookies. Okay, so taking a look at the back of the packet to show you the ingredients as well as the nutritional information. So as you can see, it does come in a very pretty purplish foil packet. And of course, just showing you some other nutritional data right there. And size-wise as well, giving you a good look and some perspective to the size of the packet. So as you can see, this is a 92-gram packet right there. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet by, of course, peeling where it says peel me. So I will very much do that right now. Let's peel you. And just peeling back if I can. Struggling a little bit here, not quite sure why. Perhaps we need to kind of pinch it from both sides to peel it open. Really struggling here. Okay, perhaps this isn't the best way to open the packet up, but it really does say, there we go, there's even instructions on how to open it, can you believe it? So let's try and do that by, of course, perhaps peeling this part open like that. There we go. To reveal the very interesting looking Cadbury Dairy Milk Oreo Sandwich Chocolate Bar. So I'll go ahead and peel it right open right there. And I can smell that lovely chocolatey scent coming from the packet. And just keeping it open right there, just to give you a good look as it's laid on the tabletop. And now bringing it up close so you have a much more detailed look right here. And you can see they're perfectly positioned, as in the Oreo cookies are perfectly positioned or centered in each section right there. So there appears to be 10 pieces altogether, 2 rows of 5 pieces. Okay, so giving you a close-up look before my fingers get in the way from handling them. You can see the lovely Oreo cookie biscuit sides with very oversized dairy milk chocolate between, I'm sure, the 2 pieces. So there should be a bottom piece to the Oreo cookies. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip it right over to see what's on the other side. And voila, we can see on this side that there is the vanilla cream filling side. So I would say this would be the top side, depending on what your preference is, whether you want that vanilla cream to hit your tongue first or taste buds, or you just prefer the chocolate to hit your taste buds first. So there we go, a nice good look right there, close-up detail. And in just about a moment I'll start handling it, but obviously right now just going to keep it clean for now before my fingers and hands get in the way and then starts melting away. So giving it up close, you can see obviously the Oreo cookies in here are much smaller than the regular ones you'd buy from in the packets. And just bear in mind, like I said, earlier while looking at the packet. This is a 92-gram size or weighted chocolate bar. And okay, so now we can go ahead and lift it from its packet. Okay, and giving you a much closer look now. As you can see, the Oreo cookies right there. And to give you a side profile as well, what it looks like, it looks really ridiculous where the chocolate is clearly thicker than the top and bottom Oreo biscuit pieces combined, even with that cream as well right there, unless they're slightly pressed into the chocolate itself. But as you can see, as it is now, very lovely to look at, and so far it hasn't really melted in my hands just yet. I guess the cookie pieces are just keeping my fingers from contacting the chocolate. Okay, so right there, nice good look at the very newly released Cadbury Dairy Milk Oreo Sandwich Chocolate Bar. So right there, nice detailed look. So the cream only appears to be on one side of the chocolate bar, as you can see. And now I'm gonna rest it in the palm of my hand this time around. That's what a 92-gram bar of chocolate looks like from the Cadbury Dairy Milk range in combination with this Oreo cookie. Okay, so now let's go ahead and break a section off. Right there, just snapping it off, and you can see nice crisp break sound that you heard. And just to give you that cross section there of the piece of chocolate or chocolate bar. And you can see the depth or thickness of that vanilla cream filling in relation to the rest of the chocolate piece and Oreo cookie as well. Okay, now it's just, I guess the moment is here to taste it. So let's taste it by so I've just bitten off a section of this broken off piece. And the Oreo taste is fairly faint. That dairy milk taste definitely does overpower it. That is the dominating or more dominant flavor in this tasting, is the milk chocolate, not so much the Oreo cookie itself. The Oreo cookie does provide a bit of texture. That vanilla cream filling is rather faint as well. Yes, and that's right. So the flavor profile is more of the milk chocolate and not so much the Oreo cookie and its vanilla cream filling. I guess the cookie is there in this case more for the texture than flavor, where you taste the biscuit top and bottom, and I could hardly taste that vanilla filling at all. So it's mainly just a chocolate or dairy milk chocolate with a slight biscuity texture from the Oreo wafer. But nonetheless, a still fine tasting chocolate bar from Cadbury. So this is the Cadbury Dairy Milk Oreo Sandwich Chocolate Bar. So that's the Cadbury Dairy Milk Oreo Sandwich Chocolate Bar. Thanks for watching and happy snacking!